This is your guardian, Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I want to welcome you to today's market technical breakdown for the time period of 1st of July to the 4th of July. I also want to use this opportunity to say Happy New Month. I wish you guys a profitable month, and with that in mind, we'll be diving into the technical part of the chart for the Euro USD. GBP USD, XA USD, and BTC USDT. We'll be taking off AUD USD from our list and switching it with GBP USD. So, thank you so much for your participation today. And I want you guys to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this content with your friends and family. So, with that in mind, over here on Euro USD, this was our forecast for last week. Over here, these are forecasts for last week. Okay, told you guys that Euro is going to drop down, get towards this previous week low, and then buy from there, and that's exactly what the market is. So the forecast was accurate. Okay, it was on point. So if we need to update this for this week, let's clear out this chart. Then we are going to move over to the weekly time frame. So to update the previous week high and previous week low on Euro USD over here, and this low, this. So now after that, we move to the daily time frame. So on this what can we see? The prevailing trend is an uptrend. Okay, this is an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse that broke this high, a correction, and then another impulse. We're likely going to have a correction for that impulse on this month of July. Okay. So the aim now is, where is the market heading to? Okay, where is the supply zone the market is heading to that might stop or hunt the market? So based on what I can see from this part over here, this is a supply zone I see over here. Okay, so that is the supply zone I see that can hold on to this market and make it not continue moving up. So it's above. So from where the market is up to that level is roughly around 103 pips. Then for the daily time frame, demand is over here. You believe the demand zone over here. And this is the secondary demand zone. This is the primary demand zone I see currently, which could align perfectly with this trend. So with that in mind, we go down to the 4 hours time frame. Then on the 4 hours time frame, what we have here is now going to be a resistance that's going to a support. So it's a reoptimization zone. So basically what I can see right now for Euro for yesterday, Monday, you shoot to the upside. It goes the previous week high already. So I'll be expecting Euro to come down a bit. Okay, and then from there we can start shooting to the upside. It's as you can see. That's what I see, because over here I see a demand zone, a power demand zone over here. Then the supply zone is all the way up here. Okay, all the way up here. Where this daily supply zone is, that's where the we have two zones right now. But me, I will not be really 100% focused on getting any sales from here, because as you said, since it broke the previous week high, the buying pressure is too massive. It can still continue going up. And That's what I believe for Euro USD right now. To continue the buy to the upside. Then the next is AED USD. Like I told you guys, we'll be removing AED from our list, but before I remove that from our list, we would like to see how the forecast played out. Okay, so I had the forecast on AED USD. Okay, so this is the AED USD chart, and this is the forecast. So from the forecast, we see that AED is going to move from this point, from this low to this resistance here, and that is that's what the market did from Monday up to Tuesday. It achieved that, and Wednesday, but it didn't drop down. So with that in mind, you just delete the AED USD pair, because that's going up from our list due to popular demand. So we added GPUSD and GPJPY. So for us, we need to start from the weekly time frame. So this is a fresh chart. We have not really done any analysis on this before. So mark out the previous week high and previous week low for GBP. So this is the previous week high over here, previous week high, and this is the previous week low over here, previous week low. Then we go back to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, we have a trend. So the trend is an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, final impulse. Similar to what's it called? Euro USD. So we mark out this low, this is the last low. I call it daily demand. Okay. And since the market took out this high on the daily time frame, for that okay, let me delete that and add a text instead. This is a higher high over here, and this is a higher low over here in the daily time frame. And this was the previous higher high over here, and the higher low over here. So let's just connect these two higher lows. Let's connect these two. Okay, good. So with that, we go to the past. Let's see a supply zone that might hold this market from going further up. So from what I can see, there is the supply zone over here, all the way here. I'll mark that out, and then I'll also take this region. I'll extend it to the left where the market is currently. Then I would give that a natural color. So literally, since the market is at a high level and it has not broke the previous week high, GP could easily slip to the downside. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, I see a 4 hours demand over here. So the trend is literally your friend, and I will be way more interested for buys instead of sells, because I want the higher time frame structure to align with the lower time frame structure for GPUSD, but not withstanding that, Uh, what I see for GP is due to there is a daily supply zone over here. The chances of this happening is high. So the market could do a test, okay, to continue buying. Okay. So the market could retest that GP, continue buying. But if the market chooses to break above this, then we get this retest and continue buying. So this is the view I see for GP USD. Then we also added GP JPY. Then we have not really done any analysis on this before. So we start with the weekly time frame. Let's start over first on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, after our previous week high and previous week low, I choose the ICE chart. This previous week high, previous week low. Then we go to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, what is the trend? You have a prevailing trend, is an uptrend. Over here, you can see it is an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and then impulse. So I have an ascending triangle more like over here, and this structure I see over here. So this is what I see like, okay, so with that in mind, the supply zone I see on the daily time frame, we have this supply zone over here. This is the daily supply. Then a daily demand, we have daily demand here, over here. This is a daily demand over here. Then I go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, I'll spot the 4 hours demand and 4 hours supply. So based on what I can see already, this is the 4 hours supply. So this fulfilled efficiency. And this has unfulfilled efficiency. So over here in the supply zone, 4 hours time frame right now. So with that, the supply zone for 4 hours. Well, since the trend is an uptrend and we broke an ascending triangle for the last month of June on Friday, so we'll be waiting out for this to happen to retest this zone that was broken, which is also previous week low, to catapult shooting up more. Okay. So but the first target is to get towards this zone. Okay, that's the first target. Then the 4 hours demand is going to be all the way down here. In the 4 hours demand over here. So this is what I see for GBP JPY. And do I go down to the next smaller time frame? This low wasn't taken. Okay. So we'll send the signals across in the group. Just visit the link in the description and join our group. Then we move to the next, which is XAUSD. For XAUSD, this is our forecast for last week. XAUSD was yesterday to buy and it pushed to the upside, it bought. So that forecast was accurate before the market dropped, correct, dropped again and went towards this demand. So yeah, in mind, let's update this chart. Okay. So start with the weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, we update the previous week low, this is the previous week low, and this is the previous week high. Then the daily time frame, from daily time frame, we spot this daily demand all the way down here because this has been taken. This daily demand, this candle close below this below and this, so it has been taken. So this is the daily demand all the way down here, and then the daily supply, very choppy one. Okay, so it's all the way here. Okay, so we then go to the 4 hours time frame. Although we are in a prevailing uptrend, you see, we are moving uptrend on daily time frame. So impulse correction, more like a choppy one, then came back to this trend. So there is likely that to continue buying to the upside. Had a very deep correction from these. So on the 4 hours time frame, what can I say? See, this 4 hours demand is over here, a very huge demand. And then the little shift in structure because the market actually formed something that looks like a head and shoulder pattern here. This was the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder that went to downside. So this is a neckline. Okay, so there is a change of structure over here. There's a change or shift in structure when the market took this low. Okay, so that's on the 4 hours time frame. With that in mind, we can actually see markets respect this. Okay, this market come up to this level again before selling off because this daily supply. I also saw this with the last daily candle that I got for food efficiency. This candle here has got for food efficiency. So from the 4 hours time frame, what I see for gold right now is moving to the upside towards this supply zone here first. Okay, it's gonna take this liquidity here, and then head to that point of interest. Okay, before any of that thing, probably to continue to sell the downside. Okay, so this is what I see for gold. Then we get to then we now start looking for the next structure. We break that supply zone, then we continue buying to the upside. Then for Bitcoin, for last week, we said that Bitcoin is going to test this reaffirmation zone, which is what it did over here. It tested it on Friday and then continue to shoot to the upside. Okay, so let's update this week for Bitcoin. We go to the weekly time frame to mark out the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week low over here. This is the previous week high over here. Then we go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we mark out, okay, the supply zones can hold. It's been a very complex move for the cryptocurrency market. The supply and demand can hold. Then we go to the power and the duration for the tariff it's almost close. This line I marked over here, it's the day that Trump said that he's going to now uh take off the pause on tariffs and then they start making amendments. So with that in mind, uh This will feel efficiency. Okay. So I see a different 4 hours. This is now looking like a different 4 hour supply zone over here. This candle here, looking like a different 4 hour supply zone. So basically, this guy has just been ranging. So with this in mind, the last week forecast, I still see that if Bitcoin gets towards this level, respects it and comes and break here, we continue the buy. Okay. Then if it breaks here, we retest it and continue this. So this is what I see for BTC USDT. So we'll watch out for it. Once whatever the market does here, because this is a new moon, whatever the market does from this level, will then determine how we approach a Bitcoin trade. So if you're curious, you want to know when these setups will happen and also stay updated daily, you can join our community. The link is going to be on the description. If you want to learn, like get mentored, you can join our mentorship. Just visit our website, www.energystarling.com. Because in our Trinity Starling Academy, we bring you a unique perspective to the world of digital assets. We teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income on different digital assets, how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to zero. You need to sign up right now because procrastination is a tip of time. And you join us, we have a team behind us that is making sure that this vision comes into manifestation. Over here, we have the basic plan, which is 1 month. We have the premium plan, which is 3 months. We have the pro plan, which is 6 months. And we have the ultimate pro plan, which is a year. Then you can see testimonies of our students here, like Miss Ebere, good day, Mr. Ijoko, Marco. Thanks very much for the advert you did on your WhatsApp status that made me to join and know how to trade and make double of my money on my coin. I thought it was a joke. It's good to follow advice of someone that knows what he's doing on coin. I will tell all my friends about this to join and make double of their points. Thank you very much. So this testimony, we have a lot on our website. You can go and watch these videos to see how these students flip their accounts. Then you can also visit our link, our store link. So on our link in the description, that's Linktree, you can get access to some of the basic tools we use. Okay, like our YouTube channel, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, register for our recommended broker, Hot Forex, and also XNES. Then recommended crypto broker is Binance, KuCoin, TradingView sign up link. That was just what I used to analyze the market. TradingView, you can gain access to that. Then CoinMarketCap, you can sign up for CoinMarketCap for crypto students. If you need funding, you can get funded $50,000 on Forex by 10 trades. Then you can join Forex Make Easy Telegram group over here. You can join Forex Make Easy Telegram group, which is where we'll be sending signals for Forex for free. Then you can join our 10x Digital Link Telegram group for crypto traders. Then you can also join 10x Digital Link WhatsApp free signal group over here, WhatsApp free signal group for both Forex and crypto trades. Then you can follow us on TikTok for motivation and advice. Then join 10x Digital Link Facebook community. You can join our Facebook community for also our setups and also our updates and advice. Then Instagram page for updates and advice regarding what's going on in the academy, then Twitter page, and then our Twitter page and also the LinkedIn page. Okay, so all these are active. You can visit our store to get some of our free products. Once you click on the store link, it's going to bring you to the Kennedy Starlink store where you have first-hand information about digital assets opportunities from around the world. You need to buy from us right now. So over here now with the prices for our gold bot. We have the gold bot that trades strictly gold because we analyze gold pairs. Then we also have a scalper that scalps Euro USD, GP USD, anything that has a USD pair on it, it scalps it very well. Then you can also make 6 figures in 6 months with real estate. And we have this blueprint that's going to show you how. It's for free. Just download it. It's for free. Then this is how you can now earn passive income with Forex trading and trading in a whole. This is also a blueprint. It's for free. You can download it for free. To join our VIP group, it's 15,000 naira right now to get signals. Okay. Subscribe every month. So if once you pay this 15,000 naira, you renew the subscription. So you join the VIP group, we give you access. Then you will be able to see us analyze the market every day and receive signals. You'll be able to see us trade the markets live and drop signals. You'll be able to see us guide you on a one-on-one video and also make sure we place these trades profitably. Then to register for our course, for those outside the country, like in UK, in US, that cannot pay through the website, or in India, in South Africa, just come over here, click on the seller store link and pay. Then use our video, our book. We'll be dropping another book this month of July. Okay, so this book is for a smart trade guide to trading success for the basics, okay, for beginners. Okay, if you join our academy, you get this book for free. Okay, so it's part of the materials you need to progress as a trader. Then that's it right now. So please, if you have any comments, drop it on the comment section. If you have any questions, reach out to me privately. You can come over here on the link tree. The link tree will be in the description, and schedule a Zoom meeting with the master trader. Okay, if you have to do a consultation session, we charge for consultation. Okay, for a serious trader that wants to be able to step up his edge, we will charge you consultation to be able to give you the right information, the right tool, and also the right guys to help you step out from that the area of not being profitable to an area of being profitable. So I want you to imagine now that you're able to join 10 Digital Mean Academy, get the right education, get the right tools, and also get the right guide, because guide is the most important thing. You can get education literally anywhere, okay? But the right tools and the right guides are priceless, okay? And the guides come from experience, okay? And with my results, I can be able to say I'm a very good guidance to be able to give you the right what full steps to take to get to the next level you want to get to. So imagine that you now wake up in the morning and your phone, you check it, you're in profit because what you took our trade, not just taking our trade, you were able to what uh know when the market is going to sell, when the market is going to buy, and also you know what to do and how to handle the trade. That's going to make you a profitable and professional trader. And that's what we wish for you, because our passion is leadership and financial freedom. What makes us happy is seeing the transformation in the lives of people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Also, click on the link on the top right to watch our continuous videos and materials to stay updated in the Forex game. Have a wonderful month.